Hi dear students, welcome to Social Science class. In today's class, we will be continuing the third lesson in Social Science, that is a visit to the south. In previous class, we have studied about the Southern Plateau. Southern part of India is also known as Southern Plateau, and we have understood what is a plateau. What is a plateau? It is elevated or raised land from the sea level, isn't it? So in today's class, we will be studying about the two divisions of Southern Plateau. The Southern Plateau is divided into two. The river Narmada divides the Southern Plateau into two parts. The Central Highlands lies in the north of the river Narmada, and the Deccan Plateau lies to the south of the river Narmada. So the river Narmada, which flows to the Southern Plateau, divides the Southern Plateau into two divisions. The northern part of the Southern Plateau is known as Central Highlands, and the southern part of the Southern Plateau is known as Deccan Plateau. So these are the two divisions of the Southern Plateau. In the last class we have studied the southern part of this India is known as this part is known as Southern Plateau. So the river Narmada, which flows through the Southern Plateau, divides in this Southern Plateau into two parts, Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. First, we will be studying about the importance of or the features of Central Highlands. The Central Highlands include the Malwa Plateau and the northwest and the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the northeast. So again, there are two other plateaus are there in the Central Highlands. Which are those? Here the Malwa Plateau, which is located in the northwest side of the Central Highlands, and the Chota Nagpur Plateau, which is located in the northeast side of the Central Highlands. So that is the main features of the Central Highlands. In Central Highlands there are two other plateaus are there, and they are called Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Malwa Plateau located in the northwest side, and the Chota Nagpur Plateau located in the northeast side. Here, this Chota Nagpur Plateau. Then the plateau has two channels of drainage. There are mainly four rivers are there in Central Highlands: River Narmada, Tapi, River Chambal, and Betwa are the major rivers which flow through the Central Highlands. Then River Narmada and Tapi flow towards the Arabian Sea. The river Narmada and Tapi joins to where? To the Arabian Sea. So the river Narmada and the Tapi from the Central Highlands join to where? Towards the Arabian Sea. The river Chambal and the Betwa joining into the Yamuna and finally ends in Bay of Bengal. The river Chambal, Betwa and Yamuna finally ends where? Into the Bay of Bengal. So there are mainly four rivers are there in the Central Highlands. Among the two rivers which flows towards the Arabian Sea, and other two rivers called Chambal and Betwa joins where? They joins to Bay of Bengal. So that's about the rivers and their destination. And finally, two rivers joins into Arabian Sea, and other two rivers joins to where? Bay of Bengal. Then the Chota Nagpur Plateau lies in the eastern part of India. So the Chota Nagpur, as you see here in the map, so this is the location of Chota Nagpur. It is located in the eastern part of the Southern Plateau. It covers large parts of Jharkhand and spread across Odisha and Chhattisgarh. This region is watered by the rivers Ganga and Mahanadi. So the Central Highlands spread across a few states such as Jharkhand, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. And this region, this area or these states are watered by the rivers Ganga and Mahanadi. Now we will be studying about the Deccan Plateau. A Deccan Plateau located in the south of the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau Deccan Plateau also known as the Peninsular Plateau. So that is the first importance of Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is also known as what? peninsular plateau. Why this Deccan Plateau is known as the peninsular plateau? Because the three sides of this Deccan Plateau is covered with water, right? The western side there is Arabian Sea, and the eastern side there is Bay of Bengal. So this Deccan Plateau is bordered with or covered with, three sides of Deccan Plateau is covered with what? Water. So that's why this Deccan Plateau is also known as the peninsular plateau. The Deccan Plateau bordered by the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. We have a very detailed study about the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats in the last class. And this lies to the south of the Satpura range. This Deccan Plateau also located to the south of the Vindhya Satpura ranges. And here, as you see here, this is the position or location of the Vindhya Satpura ranges, and Deccan Plateau located in the south of this Vindhya Satpura mountain ranges. Then this Deccan Plateau extends across many states like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So including Kerala, the many states are located in Deccan Plateau. As you see here, this is the position or this is the location of the Deccan Plateau. Which are the states which spread across the Deccan Plateau? Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh are located where in? Are located in Deccan Plateau. And here, now we'll be studying what are the other major attractions in the Deccan Plateau. The rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Kaveri, Krishna, Narmada and Tapi flow through the Deccan Plateau. See, these are the names of the rivers which flow through the Deccan Plateau. Which are those? Mahanadi, Kaveri, Krishna, Narmada and Tapi flow through the Deccan Plateau. There are many waterfalls are there in Deccan Plateau. So that is the major attractions in the Deccan Plateau comparing to Central Highlands. So here, which are the major waterfalls in the Deccan Plateau? It is called Jog Falls in Karnataka and Hokkanakal Falls in Tamil Nadu. So these are the major two waterfalls in the Deccan Plateau. There are n number of beautiful waterfalls are there in the Deccan Plateau. Among that, these are the two major waterfalls in Deccan Plateau. Which are those? Jog Falls in Karnataka and Hokkanakal waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. So these are the major attractions in the Deccan Plateau. Now we'll be studying about the dams in Deccan Plateau. Dams are built on some of these rivers for generating electricity and diverting water for irrigation. So there are many dams are there in the Southern Plateau and in the Deccan Plateau. And with the help of these dams, what we are doing? We are producing electricity. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam on the river Krishna and the Hirakud Dam on the river Mahanadi are the two such examples. So these are the major two dams which is built in the rivers which flow through the Deccan Plateau. What is the name of this dam? The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam on river Krishna. So the Nagarjuna Sagar Dam built on the river Krishna and the Hirakud Dam which is built on the river Mahanadi are the two examples of the dam which is built which is there in Deccan Plateau. In today's class, we have studied about the two divisions of Southern Plateau such as Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau, and we have also studied about the different features or importance of these Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. And write down the notes into notebook. These are the notes for you. Third question, write a short note on Deccan Plateau. The answer, the Deccan Plateau is also known as the peninsular plateau. Deccan Plateau bordered by the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. It extends across the states of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The fourth question, name two major waterfalls in Deccan Plateau. Jog Falls in Karnataka and the Hokkanakal waterfalls in Tamil Nadu are the two major waterfalls in Deccan Plateau. So copy the notes into your notebook and study it. Along that, I suggest you to read the textbook 4 times and get signature from your parents. We will be seeing in next class. Thank you.